Callie, are we supposed to be playing with that? How about no? Thank you. You're a good listener. I love you. Oh, thank you. Callie, are we supposed to be playing with that? Look at me. No. Thank you. Good girl. Hands up. Okay. Good girl. I love you. Good girl. Thanks for listening. Where are you going? Oopsies. Too much. Take a breath. Now where are you going? Oh my gosh, I can't even keep up with you.